morning, candidate. Good morning, ma'am. This will be our assessment area. Like what I have said a while ago, you will undergo a national certificate assessment in food processing and smoking, in which are going to perform sorting, cleaning, and smoking. So I am assigning you as candidate number 1 and candidate number 2. Now I have here with me the assessment instruction, which will serve as your guide performing the activity. Kindly read instruction. Do you have any question? Because once the assessment begins, I will no longer entertain any file. If that the case, you will now begin the and please be informed that both of you will undergo oral questioning after you accomplish the activity to start with the solving process. Okay, very good.
Boss! Nawala
Proceed
tayo!
to the next activity, which is curing process. All done, ma'am. Okay, congratulations, candidate number 1. You may now leave the assessment area. I will call you later for your oral question. For you, candidate number 2, you only have 5 minutes to accomplish the task. Okay, time's up. I'm sorry, candidate number 2, you did not met the required number 1 and 2. Here is your question. Number 1. What are the benefits of curing?
Curing is the process of adding certain preservatives in the fish products. These may include soy sauce, pineapple juice, pepper, and other seasoning. This curing not just helps to prolong the shelf lives of fish products, but also adds additional flavor on it.
Okay, very good. Very well said. Candidate number 2. Why wearing of PPE important?
So, PPE or personal protective equipment is important for us to avoid getting injuries while performing the task.
Okay, very good. For my feedback, I would like to congratulate candidate number 1 for completing the assessment. Meanwhile, candidate number 2 did not meet all the required activities, but you will receive COC as a completion of the task you have performed, and you can still apply for reassessment.